Hello everyone and welcome to our second video, where we will talk about energy management and multi-agent systems.
Or SMA for short.
Imagine a team of little brains working together to ensure that the lights stay on and the power flows without interruption.
That's an excellent way to describe them. SMAs are like teams of energy specialists, where each has a specific task, but they collaborate to make intelligent decisions.
I love this idea. Togetherness is strength. Like a soccer team, each player has his position and role, but everyone works together to win the game.
Exactly. And in the case of SMAs, each player is an agent.
So what exactly does it mean that they are multi-agent systems?
It means that they are made up of several individual agents that are intelligent entities capable of reading their environment, making decisions, and acting accordingly.
And what kind of agents are these?
They can range from computer programs, robots, or physical devices such as sensors. Each agent acts as a small brain within the system.
That sounds interesting. But how do they manage to coordinate to work together?
The key is their ability to communicate and share information. Agents not only act individually, but also coordinate to achieve a common goal.
To better understand, how can we apply this to the case of transformers?
Of course. In a transformer, you could have different agents with specific roles. Monitoring agent collects real-time data, such as temperature, vibration, and oil levels. It's like the eyes of the system. Diagnostic agent analyzes data and detects problems. It is the brain of the equipment, similar to a detective. Maintenance agent plans and coordinates necessary interventions. It is the mechanic of the system.
Got it. So we have eyes, brain, and hands working together. But how do they communicate with each other?
Two other key agents come into play here. Communication agent facilitates the exchange of information between agents. He is the translator of the team. Coordination agent supervises and ensures that everyone works in harmony, like a conductor.
Impressive. This sounds like a perfectly organized system. But what are the real advantages of this technology?
The advantages are many. For example, real-time monitoring allows problems to be detected before they become serious failures. Maintenance optimization, interventions only when necessary, reducing costs and downtime. Increased reliability, stable power supply is ensured.
That sounds ideal. But I imagine that implementing SMA also has its challenges.
Correct. One of the main challenges is integration with older systems, as many transformers are not equipped to connect to modern technologies. It all depends on the type of transformer and the age of the transformer. Also, cybersecurity is crucial to protect the system from possible attacks.
Of course, it must also be a challenge to manage the large amount of data generated by these systems.
Advanced software is needed to process and analyze data in real time. But despite these challenges, the benefits far outweigh the difficulties.
Where is this technology currently being applied?
SMAs have fascinating applications, such as in microgrids. They manage energy in isolated communities, optimizing local generation and distribution. Renewable energy integration predict variations and adjust production to maintain grid stability. Voltage control monitor and adjust power levels to avoid brownouts or blackouts.
What about maintenance?
SMAs also optimize predictive maintenance by analyzing historical data to anticipate failures and accurately schedule interventions.
It is amazing how this technology is transforming energy management.
And this is just the beginning. The evolution of SMAs and distributed intelligence promises a more efficient, reliable, and sustainable future.
Very interesting the things you have told me. Thanks for joining me in this adventure of multi-agent systems for transformers. See you in the next video.
For people who have seen the video and have any questions about it, just contact Antonio Fresco Navacerrada on LinkedIn. He has been the creator of this little debate.